To get an EBT card replaced, follow these steps. First, contact your local social services office or the EBT customer service number for your state. You can find this information on your EBT card or by searching online. When you call, be prepared to provide your name, case number, and the reason for the replacement request. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, let the representative know. They will guide you through the process and provide information on the replacement timeline. Next, you may be asked to confirm your identity and address to ensure the new card is sent to the correct location. This is a security measure to protect your benefits. After verifying your information, the representative will process your replacement request. In most states, a new card will be mailed to you within 3 to 5 business days. However, this timeframe may vary depending on your location. While waiting for your new card, you can visit your local social services office for temporary assistance or a bridge benefit. If available, this will help you access essential food and other necessities until your replacement card arrives. To avoid delays, make sure to report any changes in your address or contact information to your social services office. This ensures that your new card is sent to the correct address and you receive important updates about your benefits. Once you receive your replacement card, follow the instructions provided to activate it. This usually involves calling a phone number and following the prompts to set up your PIN. It is essential to keep your replacement card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your benefits. If you have any issues with your replacement card, contact the EBT customer service number for assistance. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any discrepancies to your social services office. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can get your EBT card replaced quickly and securely, minimizing any disruption to your benefits.